It's day 5, Lipstick 365, and today we are going to make a color called Green Thumbs. I used 3 things to make this lippy, so let's get to it. So first we're going to use a black suede matte lip liner by NYX. They call it Alien. Let's line our top and bottom lip and then fill it in. If you've watched any of my other Lipstick 365s, you know how I do. Mwah, mwah. Press your lips together to help naturally spread and blend the lip liner. Next, we're going to use Clean Colors Femme lipstick in the color Envious Desire. That is giving beautiful deep green. I love it. Let's grab our lippy brush for any areas that need blending. To define our lips, we're going to take LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black. You know I love a defined lip. Grab a Q-tip and you can roll the cotton tighter like I do and clean up your lip line. This color is powerful. Where do you wear it, you ask?
I already told you. The girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't.
Girl, put the color on those lips. Please share this video with other lipstick lovers. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss a day of Lipstick 365.